Hello guys, it's dark out. We arrived in Biloxi a while ago, and we were at my cousin's kid's soon-to-be wife's house, my parents' house. We're now in the White House in Biloxi, and I'm gonna show it to you. So they got pillars. My husband and my daughter went in the front. Now I don't know if this was haunted or not. It was established in 1885, I want to say, or 95, I believe. So it's an old building. Not turn of the century old, but very old. Because it wasn't turn of the century yet. Good morning, guys. This is me, Linda from Nevada. I am at the Biloxi, Mississippi, the White House. And this is our view from our room. Nice ocean view. Plus, we got the pool down here. Here is one of the beds. It's a big hotel room. I guess we got a suite. So the only thing is, I just don't like that we don't have anything to charge our phones on. So I am trying. This is our little desk area. So, a little TV. Yeah, of course. Forgive the mess. A couch. Mirror. Hi guys. See. And we have a nice closet here. Ooh, it's big. Look at this. This is something. And we have another closet in here. That's the hotel room. I'm coming. All right. Oh my God. So this is the White House, guys. This is where we're staying. That was established in 1895. I showed you the room. I hope this works. I'm gonna test it out. Here's a sign. And you guys can pause the video. The beach view that we got from our room. It's nice. I mean, it's warm. It says it's 56, but it's warm out. Just need a light sweatshirt for it. So cute looking. And now driving on a long bridge. Bridge. Look at this. In Biloxi. See that, guys? bridge ride, guys. Let's see you on the other side. We are now in Ocean Spring. So here's the beach, just like we have by us. You can walk across the street, but I didn't bring my sandals, guys, so can't go onto the beach.
I can.
Good for you.
I can go on a beach
I know.
because I have cracks.
Yeah, my sandals are at home, so I didn't think I could.
Hey, what kind of trees are those?
Nice
Oak
here.
trees?
Palm trees.
No, these trees.
Look at those boats. You don't see many boats where we are. Not even California.
I'd rather catch a crab than a catch a crab.
Get you a better perspective on what we just went through before. There it is.
Oh, there's a road that was closed.
Sorry, it's a little bumpy.
Oh, there's some stuff back there. You want to walk back there?
Okay, guys. Okay, so we're walking over here. Tattoo place. Miro Bar. When we go back, I'll show you something. That's what's called ass soap. A lot of food places aren't in this place. Just showing you the sights and sounds over here. We are in a cemetery right by our hotel, the White House, and we are at some couple graves, and this is a historic cemetery, guys. And if I can just have I'm just listening. Anybody who can communicate with us?
Looking for me.
I'm looking for somebody. Who am I looking for? Let me just stop this for a second. Are you... Let's see, who can I talk to? Oh, here's somebody. Mary Neal. Are you here?
Yep, she is.
You can talk through my device.
Not anymore.
She went. Or you can hit the EFM meter.
Is that you, Mary? Yeah, it is you.
I'm sure that's Annie. My phone is going out higher. Where are you, Mary? Let me see where you are, and I'm just gonna put the SOS camera on here.
Mary? No?
Hold on. I'm putting the SNS camera on. See.
Oh, someone's right there.
It could be just grave sites. Do you feel?
A lot of the ghosts. Oh, they're sitting on their grave.
Probably. Yeah, look at that. Let me see the FEME reader.
They're all sitting on their grave.
Okay. Willie Clark, are you here with your wife? Yep, he's here with the wife.
Where? I don't see him.
Well, either my camera's dirty or, well, look at that. The FEME is reading. And Mr. Willie Clark. Willie Clark, he died in 1909. And why is that? Okay, there it goes. And born in 1881. And the EFM meter is going off like crazy. Come on, Willie, if you're here, please touch it. Say hi to me. Okay, thank you, Mr. Clark. Thank you. You touched it on me. You can touch my EF.
Oh, thank you.
What happened?
She said, be careful.
Be careful?
Yeah.
I'm sure she said be careful because my EFM meter is going.
No,
because Dad's wanted us to look closer to spike it up. Yes, you were the one, huh? You died in 1884. Oh my. I'm sorry that you died, Joseph, in 1884. Oh, I'm sorry. You're Ava. I couldn't read your headstone. I'm so sorry, Miss Ava. Where is your husband at? I don't see him.
Is there a dog spirit here?
Well, it has to be a dog spirit someplace, right? Guys, I'm getting a lot of activity on my EFM reader. As you see, I'm just trying to go into graves here, because this is an old historic cemetery. There are a few new graves here too, but guys, I know there wasn't that much activity in this place, but the
Here, you're wrong.
meter has went off for a few minutes, you know. Hopefully we do find other places to go. Thank you for watching. Bye from Biloxi at the moment. This, guys, I'm sorry. I don't have my mics on. This is the Apollo 13. This was just up the road from our hotel. videotape this. I'm just gonna go like this. And I'll show you a statue of the guy. For Apollo 13. This is the guy that was in Apollo 13. Statue is of astronaut Frank Hayes, Biloxian. I'll give you the you can, if you can pause it and read it, that's great. But this is the guy here. I'm sorry about my phone.